Hi everyone, I'm Roberta from Creative Union Design. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily make these lovely games. But before I get started, if you wouldn't mind clicking the subscribe button, we would really appreciate the support. Our games are a great addition to your event, and you can print as many as you need. All of our designs have matching items so that your event will coordinate perfectly. You will want to print on your 110-pound white matte cardstock, and be sure that you're printing at 100% and not fit to page. You can use your ruler to line up along the crop marks, then use your X-Acto knife to easily cut the sheet in half to create two games. If you are printing these at a local copy center, they usually have a large format paper cutter. If you found this video helpful, please give us a big thumbs up and click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and have fun designing.